long, I was afraid of this for absolutely no reason. It's not complex, you know, it works, it does what it's supposed to, it's forgiving.
hyperMILL proved to be very successful. We looked at a few different platforms of programming software for the 5-axis, and would we have been as successful without it? I don't think so. We get parts off that are 90% deburred.
Now I see that you can program this 5-axis toolpath. This is actually 5 clicks of a mouse, and you have this insane looking 5-axis barrel cutting toolpath. Really, this is all the harder it is.
Just works well. It's a good complement for 5-axis machine. Probably the best complement for 5-axis machine.